Most people think starting a food business requires a commercial kitchen, staff, and at least $20,000 in equipment. It doesn't. Some of the most profitable small food businesses start with one machine, one table, and a clear product idea. In this video, I'll show you 7 compact food machines you can run from a small space. We'll start with the lowest investment option and work up to the machine with the strongest long-term brand and profit potential. For each one, I'll break down cost, how machine works, and who it's best for. Watch till end, because the #1 machine on this list is the one that gives you the best balance of margin, branding power, and scalability without needing a full factory setup. Let's start with the simplest entry point.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual effort, skills, and market conditions.
Number 7, vertical dehydrator plus grinder. If you want the lowest investment and the simplest starting point, this setup is it. A vertical dehydrator removes moisture from fruit, herbs, and vegetables, while a high-speed grinder turns them into fine powders or blends. Together, they let you create shelf-stable products with long storage life and minimal supervision. Entry cost typically ranges between $250 and $550 total. Once sliced and loaded, the dehydrator runs on its own. After drying, you grind and package into pouches or small jars. Products like strawberry powder, garlic powder, herbal tea blends, smoothie boosters, or spice mixes can sell at strong margins because they are lightweight and concentrated. This works best for online stores, local markets, and supplying small bakeries. Production is slower than fried or baked goods, but your risk is lower because nothing spoils quickly. The real advantage is low overhead, easy storage, and simple shipping. It may not be flashy, but for beginners who want a safe, manageable entry into food production, this is the most stable starting point on the list. The next machine costs more, but it has stronger emotional appeal and higher pricing power. If you want something people line up for, not just reorder quietly, this is where it gets interesting. Number 6, automatic bread making machine. Bread feels simple, but consistency is where profit lives. This machine handles mixing, kneading, proofing, and baking inside one compact unit. You load the ingredients, select the program, and let it complete the full cycle with minimal guesswork. These machines typically cost between $500 and $1,500, depending on capacity and features. A single batch can produce specialty loaves like whole wheat, herb bread, olive bread, cinnamon raisin, or gluten-free variations. Because fresh bread has strong sensory appeal, the smell alone can drive impulse purchases at markets. Margins depend on ingredient quality, but homemade-style loaves often sell at premium prices compared to supermarket bread. The challenge is short shelf life, so this model works best for local delivery, weekend markets, or pre-order systems. This machine is ideal for someone who wants visible, tangible output without mastering advanced baking skills. It requires more hands-on scheduling than the dehydrator, but the emotional appeal of warm bread makes it easier to build repeat local customers. Before number 5, take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. Our goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers, and your support helps this channel grow and bring you more real opportunities. Number 5, dumpling maker. If you want something with stronger scaling potential, this machine moves you closer to a production mindset. This machine feeds dough and filling separately, then shapes and seals uniform dumplings every few seconds. Reliable models range from $850 to $1,300. What makes this powerful is batch production. You can prepare hundreds of dumplings in a session, freeze them, and sell them as meal kits, family packs, or specialty flavor boxes. Options like vegan fillings, spicy chicken, shrimp, or dessert dumplings open niche positioning. Unlike fresh bread, dumplings can be frozen and stored, which improves inventory control and reduces waste. Customers value convenience, especially when they can steam or pan fry at home in minutes. This setup requires more prep work for fillings and careful hygiene standards, but the upside is repeat purchase behavior. Families who enjoy the product often reorder weekly. It is not the simplest machine on this list, but it introduces real scalability and stronger branding potential compared to entry-level setups. We are moving into machines with serious repeat purchase potential. One of the next 2 has one of the strongest long-term customer bases in food. If retention matters to you, pay attention. Number 4, automatic donut making machine. This machine drops batter into hot oil, shapes perfect rings, flips them during frying, and lifts them out evenly cooked. It combines feeding, frying, turning, and output into one compact countertop unit. Most entry to mid-level models cost between $700 and $1,400, depending on capacity and temperature control. Production speed can reach hundreds of mini donuts per hour, making it one of the fastest cash flow machines on this list. The profit angle is built on impulse buying. Ingredient cost per donut is low, but fresh hot donuts sell at strong per-piece margins, especially when coated in cinnamon sugar, chocolate glaze, or specialty toppings. At busy events or markets, volume can quickly recover the initial investment. Ideal selling locations include food stalls, fairs, night markets, and small takeaway shops where foot traffic is steady. Visual appeal and aroma become your marketing. Setup requires a stable table, proper ventilation, oil management, and safe power access. The main risk is dependence on physical traffic and oil handling, but for fast daily revenue and visible production, this machine creates strong short-term earning potential. Quick question: would you rather build fast daily cash flow or a slower premium brand? Tell me in the comments, I read them and it helps shape future videos. Number 3. Ice Cream Batch Freezer. This machine churns and freezes liquid base at controlled speed, creating smooth, creamy texture without ice crystals. You pour in your mix, dairy or plant-based, and the machine aerates and freezes it to the correct consistency. Entry-level models typically range from $700 to $1,700, depending on freezing strength and capacity. Each batch can produce multiple liters per cycle, allowing steady production for pint packaging or on-site scooping. The profit angle is customization. Unique flavors like pistachio, black sesame, salted caramel, or seasonal specials allow premium pricing. Ingredient cost per pint can remain controlled, while branded pints sell at high retail margins, especially for small batch or vegan lines. This works best at local markets, dessert shops, pop-up stands, and direct-to-consumer freezer sales. Repeat purchase behavior is strong when flavors rotate regularly. Setup requires freezer storage, hygienic mixing space, and temperature monitoring. The main challenge is storage and cold chain management, but in exchange, you gain high branding potential and strong customer loyalty. Number 2. Coffee Roaster. This machine heats and rotates green coffee beans inside a small drum, allowing you to control roast time, airflow, and temperature. By adjusting these variables, you create different flavor profiles, from light and citrusy to deep and bold. Compact machines that handle small batches usually cost between $450 and $950, depending on control, precision, and airflow systems. A single batch can produce several hundred grams to 1 kilogram of roasted beans, which can then be packaged immediately for sale. The profit angle comes from freshness and branding. Green beans are significantly cheaper than roasted retail coffee, and customers are willing to pay premium prices for freshly roasted, locally crafted beans. Subscription models, tasting packs, and limited origin releases increase repeat purchases and lifetime customer value. Ideal selling channels include online stores, local cafes, farmers markets, and direct subscription delivery. Setup requires ventilation, airtight storage containers, a scale, and basic packaging with degassing valves. The main challenge is learning roast consistency and managing smoke, but the upside is strong repeat demand and the ability to build a recognizable craft brand. Number 1. Chocolate Tempering Machine. This machine melts chocolate, cools it to a precise temperature, then reheats it slightly to stabilize the cocoa butter crystals. This process creates chocolate with a glossy finish, clean snap, and proper shelf stability. Entry to mid-range tempering machines typically cost between $450 and $1,100, depending on capacity and digital controls. Small batch units can handle several kilograms per cycle, enough for producing bars, truffles, dipped snacks, or molded specialty shapes. The profit angle is premium positioning. Raw chocolate costs remain manageable, but finished artisan chocolate bars and gift boxes command high retail prices. Because chocolate is giftable and suitable for seasonal releases, it allows higher perceived value and strong margins. Ideal sales channels include online stores, corporate gifts, holiday markets, and boutique retailers. Setup requires a clean table, molds, cooling space, and proper packaging. The main challenge is precision and presentation, but this machine offers the best balance of scalability, branding power, shelf life, and premium pricing potential on the list. At the beginning of this video, I told you that you do not need a factory or a massive budget to start a real food product business. You need the right tool, a focused product, and a plan that matches your capacity. We started with the simplest, lowest risk setup and worked our way toward the machine with the strongest long-term branding and margin potential. Each option serves a different type of entrepreneur. Some are built for steady local income, others for repeat online customers, and a few for premium positioning. The key is not choosing the most impressive machine, but choosing the one that fits your space, your time, and your market. Start small, stay consistent, and build around one solid product. That is how real brands begin. If this video gave you value, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone searching for new ways to build income. And stay connected, because the next idea could be the one that changes everything.